Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have 6 to the power of 2x plus 6 is equal to 9 to the power of x plus 3. Find the value of x. Okay, so let's solve it. Solution: 6 to the power of 2x plus 6 is equal to 9 to the power of x plus 3. So we're going to be applying lots of exponential rules here. Okay, so now the first one we'll be applying now is, let's say for instance you have a to the power of m plus n. What it means is a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. So we'll be applying this rule in this first step of the equation. Okay, so let's go. We have 6 to the power of 2x multiplied by 6 to the power of 6 is equal to 9 to the power of x multiplied by 9 to the power of 3. Okay, now we have 6 to the power. Now we can rewrite this as, when you have something like a to the power of xy, the same thing as a to the power of yx. Okay, so now we can rewrite this and say 6 to the power of x squared multiplied by 6 to the power of 6 is equal to 9 to the power of x multiplied by 9 to the power of 3. Now we have to do what? Divide both sides by 6 to the power of 6 and 9 to the power of x. Okay, and that's equal to 9 to the power of x multiplied by 9 to the power of 3 all over 6 to the power of 3 multiplied by 9 to the power of x. So now this can cancel. This is 6 to the power of 6. So this can cancel this, okay? And this can cancel this. So we're left with 6 to the power of x all squared all over 9 to the power of x. Okay, and that's equal to 9 to the power of 3 all over 6 to the power of 6. So let's rewrite this. I'm noticing something, so we'll have to rewrite this. 6 to the power of 2x all over 9 to the power of x is equal to 9 to the power of 3 all over 6 to the power of 6. Okay, let's continue. 6 squared is what? 36 to the power of x all over 9 to the power of x is equal to 9 to the power of 3 all over 6 to the power of 6. Okay, now for this power of 6, you can write this to be 6 to the power of 3 multiplied by 2, because 3 times 2 is going to give us 6. So we're going to replace this with this now. So let's do that. We have 6 to the power of x all over 9 to the power of x is equal to 9 to the power of 3 all over 6 to the power of 3 multiplied by 2. Okay, and you know that when you have something like this, you can still write it as 6 to the power of 2 of 3 all squared, because this multiplied by this is going to give you 6 that we have here. Okay, so let's do that. We have 36 raised to the power of x all over 9 to the power of x is equal to 9 raised to the power 3 all over 6 raised to the power 3 squared. Okay, or no, it should be 6 raised to the power 2 cube, because we want this outer place to be the same. All right, and it's still 2 times 3 is going to give you 6. Now we have 36. You can see that you have this and this, so you have 36 raised to the power x all over 9 raised to the power x is equal to 9 raised to the power 3 all over 36 raised to the power 3. This is what we are trying to achieve, to have the powers the same, like we have here same. Okay, now the next thing, we'll be applying another exponential rule. Now, when you have something like a over b raised to power x, we can invert it by it becomes b over a raised to the power minus x. And this simply means 1 over a over b raised to power x. But we'll be making use of this one. So let's do that here now. So when we invert it, the 9 will come as the numerator over. So before we go to this place, this would be 36 over 9 to the power of x is equal to 9 over 36 to the power of 3. Okay, now the next thing to do is to do what? Invert it. So it becomes 9 over 36 negative x is equal to 9 over 36 3. Now we see that our bases are the same. So this can cancel this. So we have negative x is equal to 3. Multiply both sides by negative 1. Multiply here by negative 1 and multiply here by negative 1. Negative, negative, we have that x is equal to negative 3. So our final answer for x is what? Negative 3. So let's verify. We have 6 to the power of 2. Our x is negative 3, right? Plus 6 is equal to 9, negative 3 plus 3. Now we have 6. This multiplied by this is what? Negative 6 plus 6 is equal to 9 plus minus 3 plus 3 is what? Is what? 0. Right? Good. Now we have this minus 6 plus 6 is what? 0. And any number raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So this becomes 1 is equal to 1. So you can see that our left hand side is the same thing as our right hand side. That means the value of our x being equal to negative 3 is correct. Bye bye. Give me